hate to do it, but I think I'm gonna get fast food. I was totally wiped out when I got back from the hospital last night. Right now, you might be wondering what I'm doing. You might be able to hear the pills. I'm pulling out a D3 and a caffeine pill. It's 12:30. I told Granny I would try to be there earlier this morning, but it just didn't work that way. I also told her I'd be there after I woke up, and then I wasn't setting an alarm. So, can't really feel too bad. I'm expecting that subscription box today that I ordered on Saturday from Oh Hello. And it's supposed to rain this afternoon. So I'm really hoping that the postal employee tucks it into our door. Getting food out for Jorah. He had about a third of his food this morning on the nightstand, of course, because he's a little brat. Like the bowl snaps into that thing that's attached to the crate. That also helped minimize the space in there so that he didn't have room to pee in his crate, because when he was a puppy, he did not care. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You did not care about peeing in your crate. Not one little bit. Yeah, you know I'm gonna put you in there. I'm sorry, Jorah. I feel so guilty. Well, back at the hospital to see Granny again. I'm glad that it stopped raining long enough for me to walk into the hospital without an umbrella, because I definitely didn't bring one. So that's all right. I got my handy hat to keep my hair in place and my head warm. And remember, right deck 2. Or north deck, right 2. I don't know, whatever it said. I know where I'm parked. I've been here many times before. I know where I'm going. My aunt said they're in the same room, luckily, so I know where I'm going. And we're gonna go get some food as soon as I get up there. And 'cause I'm hungry and she's hungry. Oh, you gotta charge for that. Like, really? No. That's like a mixture of olives and edamame on the bottom and beets. Some cherry chicken wings and some more ice cream. Yummy. You back at it. I just walked in the door about 3 minutes ago. All I've done is say hi to Jorah and Mike and wash my hands, and he has had his head in my boots since I got home after I walked upstairs, and now he just won't stop sniffing my socks. He loves our socks. He will chew on them when he gets the chance. It must smell good. It must smell yummy. I stopped at Kroger and got some food for Mike and I, and I'm gonna make us up some plates right now. Oh God, I gotta sneeze again. I'm pretty sure I'm getting sick from going to the hospital 2 days in a row, and I don't really go out in public anymore, and I haven't been exposed to a lot of germs because I don't have a job right now. So it's like I stay home, I'm fine. I've been perfectly healthy, and I was really hoping to get through the whole winter being perfectly healthy, but I don't think that's gonna happen, unfortunately. You got McDonald's.
That was the bag from the...
Not the bag, there was a new cup.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, don't even, yeah, Oh my god. I'm smart. You can't pull shit over on me. Why do you lie to me about
I
that?
got a drink from McDonald's.
That's it?
That McDonald's bag was the one from when we went.
I know. But whatever.
Thank you for eating up the chicken for me.
You're welcome.
I guess you're okay.
I'll suffice, huh?
Yeah. Come on, Jorah.
Got an avocado to go with my shrimp. I'm gonna take the tails off of the shrimp, and that way I don't have to do it in the living room. All right, let me show you what I got. Ooh, goodness. That is my dinner tonight. Just a massive pile of cocktail shrimp, some cocktail sauce, and an avocado. And it sounds delicious to me. Hi, Jorah. I have to wrap a present. Today's the first day that I have felt human all week. I've been quite sick. He's gonna be all up in my business while I'm trying to wrap a present. I'm pretty sure I picked up some germs while I was at the hospital, mostly all day, Monday and Tuesday, visiting Granny, and I got quite sick. So like I said, today is the first day that I woke up feeling like a human, and I am going to go to Mike's niece's first birthday party today. We got Mo a little phone, and it's touchscreen. Like it has this little thing that it, oh, I left it on. I played with it at the store and it worked just fine, but now all it's doing is making that noise, and I'm pretty sure that the batteries, like the demo batteries, are dead. So we're gonna stop and get some batteries for it. It's 2 AAA batteries, and it's cute. It's like it teaches numbers and colors and animals, maybe. I don't know. Hopefully she likes it. Looks entertaining. I played with it at the store for a little while. Maybe that's why the battery's dead. And we're leaving Jorah here. I feel so bad, so gotta play with him some. He hasn't been on a walk all week because I just haven't had energy. So I feel really bad. Look at little business baby with his phone on the back. You see that? Cute. Uh-oh. Ta-da! That might have been the fastest I ever wrapped a present. Dude, let go! Ah!
Right here. Bring in the ball.
Drop it. Oh! I wish I got that on camera.
He's getting pretty good at catching it.
Yeah, he is.
High five.
He's like waiting for you to put your hand up.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Paw. Lay down. Could lay down. High five. Oh, you missed. Good boy.
We're finally out of bed at like 10:30 on Sunday. Mike literally had to count down to force us to get up. He was like, okay, we're gonna be up after 1.
Lady, what are you doing?
Count down from 10. Oh my god. She doesn't know how to drive.
Oh, there's undercover cars here.
Yeah.
And they're pulling over a U-Haul, going through a U-Haul. Shit,
Yeah.
This is probably a drug bust.
That's what I'm thinking too. Alright.
That's totally net.
Not?
Narcotics enforcement team.
Oh, okay. Battery's about to die. We're going to breakfast. That's all I was trying to say. Here's Jorah, if it will adjust. There we go. He's in my lap right now. We're gonna take him into a car wash. We haven't done this since he was a pretty young puppy. So I'm curious to see how he's going to act in the car wash. We just took him to Granny's. I had to run to Staples. Oh my God, look at this line. It's a beautiful day in Michigan right now. It's like 32 degrees and it's really sunny. Everybody wants their car washed. For some reason, they just went around, this lady went around and put bags on the back wipers. I don't get it, because I would want my back wiper to be clean. Jorah, what are we doing? What is this?
Where are we?
What's going on? Huh? Where are we? What is this? I'm having Mississippi Queen stuck in my head now. What?
Just a basic, I guess, basic.
Basic?
Yeah.
Is that a bar limited clip at all?
What's that?
Oh, they have a nice mirror up there to show you where your tire's at. That's cool. Like a nice tire mirror.
Yep.
Neutral!
Jorah, what are they doing?
What's going on? I can't see him on here. There he is.
Like ducking.
He's so nervous. He's not like freaking out though, he's just nervous.
Oh, he's shaking.
Oh, is he? Oh.
It's okay, buddy.
Oh, you can like look out here and look in the mirror and see how clean it is. Cool.
They have a thing to tell you when to turn off the vehicle and go to drive.
Yeah, nice.
Thanks a lot, y'all. Good day.
Thanks,
You
you
too.
too. What's he doing, Jorah? The fuck? Did you see that? Trying to set up a quick shot.
Quick shot of what?
I want to record doing this 30-day challenge.